In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade S&P futures on Interactive Brokers. We'll focus on locating the right S&P 500 futures contract inside Trader Workstation so you can add it to your watch list and be ready to act with confidence. First, open Trader Workstation, often called TWS. This is Interactive Brokers' desktop platform and the place where you'll search for and monitor futures symbols. Make sure you're on a layout with a watch list visible. Most default layouts include one. If you don't see an empty row, you can click into any available blank line in your watch list to start typing. Next, type the symbol for the contract you want. For S&P 500 futures, you can use either MES or ES. ES stands for the E-mini S&P 500, a widely traded contract with substantial liquidity. MES is the micro E-mini S&P 500, which tracks the same index, but at 1/10 the size, offering smaller exposure and typically lower margin requirements. If you're newer to futures or prefer finer position sizing, MES can be a practical choice. If you want larger exposure and deep liquidity, ES may be more appropriate. Type MES or ES right into that watchlist row. Press Enter. TWS will open a selection panel with possible matches for the symbol you entered. From that list, choose Futures, then select CME. CME stands for Chicago Mercantile Exchange, which is the primary exchange listing for these S&P 500 futures. Picking Futures. CME ensures you're attaching the recognized exchange and contract type to your watchlist entry, which is essential for accurate quotes and trading. Now choose the front month contract. The front month is the nearest active expiry with the most trading volume and the tightest spreads. Common expiration months for S&P futures include March, June, September, and December. So at any given time, you'll typically pick the closest one, such as June or September, depending on the calendar. If you're close to rollover, you'll often see volume shift to the next contract. In that case, selecting the newer month can provide better liquidity. Confirm you're choosing the correct year and month before finalizing. Once selected, the contract will appear in your watch list with its symbol, expiration, and market data fields. You should now see live bid and ask prices, last traded price, and daily change if your market data is enabled. From here, you're set to monitor the market, open charts, or proceed with your preferred order entry workflow when you're ready. That's all you need to quickly find and add S&P 500 futures in Interactive Brokers TWS.